Budget 2026. Transform vacant offices into homes. New tax incentive. Commercial to residential conversion.
The government introduces a 10% special tax deduction on eligible renovation and conversion expenses. Maximum deduction, Rm 10 million. Supported by the Inland Revenue Board, LHDN, to encourage urban renewal and efficient land use.
Why this matters?
Turning challenges into opportunities. Revives underutilized commercial buildings. Increases residential supply in city areas. Provides substantial tax savings for property owners. Attention! Effective date to be announced, but preparation starts now.
Let's discuss how to get started.
For feasibility and due diligence, check land zoning, structural feasibility, and market demand. For land use conversion, apply for approval from local council or state land office, or pay any required premiums or charges.
Conversion process.
Engage professionals, architect, engineer, QS, and contractor for design and compliance. Tax deduction compliance. Keep records of eligible renovation and conversion costs. Ensure documentation meets LHDN requirements.
Key takeaway.
Turn your vacant offices into vibrant homes. Align with national urban revitalization goals. Enjoy generous tax incentives while creating community value.
Exploring for a better life. Thank you for your attention.
Hold on. Looking for reliable company, secretarial, and tax support?
We began as an accounting firm offering bookkeeping services, and over the years, we've expanded into a full-service firm providing
company secretarial services, tax advisory, and SST submissions, withholding tax filing and expat payroll, support for international subsidiaries, payments, invoicing, and compliance, e-invoicing, training, and tailored software support. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.